On April 30, 2025, a simple parking violation at a local Walmart took a sharp turn when an officer spotted Brad in a police-only spot, only to smell marijuana and trigger a violent, taser-deployed standoff.
Hey, good afternoon.
How's it going?
Any idea why I'm stopping you?
No, I don't.
Well, hey, somebody called in complaining that you're parked in the law enforcement parking spot.
Just went there to go pick up some brake cleaner for my stepdad, so I apologize for parking in the wrong spot. Here's my ID.
Okay. Who's your dad? Your stepdad?
Charles.
Okay. When was the last time you smoked marijuana?
A long time ago. I don't smoke anymore.
When you rolled down the window, I smelt it.
That's impossible because I don't smoke marijuana at all. My mom doesn't smoke. Nobody smokes marijuana.
No, they don't need to come here.
They can reassure that they don't smoke.
No, they don't need to come in here. They live here in town?
Yeah, I'm getting my car fixed right now, so.
So you're just borrowing this car?
Yeah, this is my mom's car.
Okay. Any idea why somebody might call in saying that you're acting a little weird?
No, I don't.
Anybody else in your car with you?
No, there's not. I don't smoke marijuana.
Okay. Well, it's not your car, so maybe it's in here and then somebody else is smoking in here.
It's not. There's no marijuana in here. I mean, I can call my mom right now and I can ask her.
You don't need to do that right now.
Let me call her and I'll tell her I'm pulled over here.
You don't need to call it right now.
If you want to run my license plate, I'll let them know I'm pulled over and they can come here and just...
But I do want you to step out of the car.
Okay. Mom!
Just come out over here, okay?
Yeah, this is Hartford PD. I just got pulled over. They said that I was smoking. They said that they smelled marijuana in the car.
You know what? That's a bunch of shit. It's a
Okay.
bypass.
Come on over. It's a legal and lawful order, okay?
Okay.
I smell the odor of marijuana. I want you out of the car.
He's saying that he's smelling the odor and he wants me out the car.
I'm making a complaint. You're not checking my car for shit. I'm coming. I just let
Okay.
you drive.
Yeah, I'm not getting out the car.
Okay.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Understand that your mom is not here. You're an adult. You can make a decision. The decision that I'm giving you is that I smell marijuana coming from the vehicle and I'm going to search the car.
You gotta be kidding me.
So I'm gonna get arrested because somebody called in and said somebody said I was smoking marijuana.
I didn't say you're getting arrested.
You're not getting out of that car. Where are you?
Is there anything
I'm at the gas station.
Is there anything that I can say for you that will make you exit the car at this moment?
You're not to touch my car.
Listen, sir.
You're trying to search my car.
I was not smoking marijuana. I have done nothing.
62420.
He said that he's gonna search the car.
Okay.
You will not say, oh, I'm the owner of the vehicle. He's not searching my shit at all.
I'm asking you to exit the car.
I don't know what's going on.
Put it in park. Put it in park. Stop. Get out of the car. Get out of the car now.
Get out of the car, Jared! Get out of the car! Mom!
He's taking off with Derek in the car.
Get out of the car! Put it down right now! Get out of the car! Put it down right now! Get out of the car! Mom! Mom!
Get out, Derek. Get out of the car now.
Okay! Get out of the car!
I will let you up. Get out of the car right now. You need a taste. You need a taste.
Stop! Stop! Okay?
Put it in park.
Okay!
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Do not shove me. Chase him. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
22, taser appointment.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now. Put your head behind your back. You want to get snapped again.
Is the car in park? So we're trying to take off the inside the vehicle. Put your head back now! 622 County, complaining of chest pain, also taser deployment. Any weapons on you?
No.
You good?
You?
That's bullshit. I don't smoke weed.
Are you hurt in any way?
Yeah.
Where are you hurt? I know that you got a taser dart in your hand.
Hey, we're gonna stand you up. You gonna throw up?
Please get my drink out the car.
We're gonna stand you up.
Why'd you try and choke me, man?
This is bullshit.
So that gives you right to try and take off the top of the car?
I don't smoke weed. Harass me for nothing.
Do you realize you made a big deal over a ticket now to felony charges now? Bring your legs in.
Can I please get my drink?
No. The ambulance can give you something.
Sir, can you please get my soda?
No.
Can I please get?
I got an ambulance
Can I
coming for you,
please
okay?
get my drink, please?
You have a seat in the
Yeah,
back of a
please.
squad car.
Please?
No. Let's go.
Sir, stop.
Dude. Do I get tased again? Do I get tased again?
Why are you doing this?
There.
How are you doing this to me, bro?
Spread your feet. He took off in the car with me in it. Both tased him. He got a taser in his probe in his hand.
Anybody else with him?
No.
Anywhere else in your hurt? Hand hurt? Not when I stopped him.
Almost rammed his squad car with me in it.
DJ, I don't want him sitting on his hands in my car if he's got a probe in there.
There's one in there and one in his chest. Got him.
Yeah, please give my drink, sir. I don't smoke weed.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'll stuck in your sweatshirt.
One in your hand, okay?
Watch your head. Yeah. Look at me. What was your first name again? What's that? Brandon? Brand. Hey, Brad. How much did you use?
Not a lot at all, dude. I took like 2 hits, bro. And not even enough to not be sick for a little bit longer.
Heroin or fentanyl?
Heroin. No, I smoke it. I'll be sick for a little bit longer. I mean,
You're smoking some heroin?
yeah. I might look suspicious. I had the music loud. I got a lot of money when I pull it out at the cash register. Maybe that was something, but there's no f***ing marijuana, bro.
Okay. Apparently that's the stepdad. Take the keys from that car.
Can you move this cuff somehow, man? The cleaner's in the car. Everything's in the car. I did nothing. I don't know.
The date was April 30, 2025, and at 2:25 p.m., a routine patrol at a local Walmart took a sharp turn when an officer spotted a vehicle parked illegally in a law enforcement-only spot. What started as a simple parking violation quickly escalated when the officer approached the driver, Brad, and detected the distinct smell of marijuana. The situation spiraled as Brad became increasingly defensive, eventually calling his mother to the scene. Despite his family's presence, Brad flatly refused to exit the vehicle, leading to a violent physical struggle. The confrontation reached a breaking point when the officer was forced to deploy a taser to gain compliance. In the aftermath, a vulnerable Brad admitted to a heroin addiction, shedding light on the underlying cause of his desperation. He was ultimately charged with multiple felonies, including resisting arrest causing bodily harm. While some charges were later dismissed, Brad was sentenced to 1.5 years in prison, a heavy price for a parking spot. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.